Hey, it's Target Shooter 145, and today we've got a literal firearm. All the rest of my videos have had, my earlier videos have had air guns. This is a little firearm. It takes 22 long rifle. The name, as you can probably tell by the title, Savage 64F 22 LR. I like Savage. Is what I've heard about it. I've got some CCI mini mags, a round nose in here. And got 5 water jugs set up down there, and my GoPro's rolling just so you can get a different view of it. And the reason it's round nose and not hollow point or anything like that, so it'll go through more water jugs. Alright, let's get this video started. Alright, so 22 LR is apparently more powerful than I thought it would be. If you come a bit closer here, we had 5 water jugs set up. This one has pretty much no water left in it. So here's the second one. It's the entrance hole. It was jagged. It was already turning a little bit. You see that sideways? See how the back look? Yeah, he came out sideways. Alright. Oh, he went up vertical on that one. And kind of at a sideways angle again. Fourth one. Where the heck did he go in? Oh, right there. Hey, it almost looks like he went in straight for some reason. Probably straightened back out. Yeah, that's where it came out. Doesn't look much power was still stained. Alright, that looked pretty cool. This thing has a ton more power than you might think. A Crossman 760 Pumpmaster would have never gotten that job done. But got 5 more water jugs set up down there. And now we got some hollow points. Not round nose. These are hollow points. These expand. So this ought to look pretty cool from that GoPro. I think I stood a bit too close. Well, still got 5 rounds left. Think I could come up with just something just a bit more awesome than that. I'm really liking this rifle so far. To be honest, I've had this thing for a year now. I just had a bunch of different pellet guns out, cool pellet guns, and I guess a couple BB guns that I still wanted to show. But as you can tell by what we got up on the stand here, it's fake blood. The GoPro should really like this. It's gonna get nice and dirty. Alright, so the water jugs were pretty fun, and as these 22 rounds, they weigh about 4 times more than your average pellet. Well, not average, but the round nose pellets made by Crossman. Those weigh 10 grains. The bullet, the projectile on this weighs 40 grains. And it's just a lot bigger, a lot more power, a lot more mass going down. And water jugs were fun though, but I thought we'd move to something a bit more fragile. That looked awesome. And we're out of rounds. This thing has a 10 round magazine. It's a nice steel-made metal magazine. I don't really have any problems with it. And I've had this thing for a year, and I've only had to clean it once. This thing's a very good rifle. Alright, so the glass bottles were fun, but now let's get some soda cans. And if you've seen one of my videos before, if you think a pellet gun does pretty good to some soda cans, wait till you see what a 22 can do. I missed. It completely evaporates them. I think I'm having an off day, but that's just fine. Alright, so the soda cans were pretty fun. Using those hollow points, it just looks like they disappeared. But got 10 full unopened soda bottles. They're 2 liters. This is the first time I've ever done this, so I'm excited to shoot them, so let's just get to it. Misfire. That was awesome. You cannot deny that was pretty freaking awesome. The only thing that it doesn't have, like on most rifles, the bolt does not stick back on the last shot. Just simple metal magazine. It does not have that feature. The sights are pretty simple. This little bolt right here kind of twists. I don't know why. It just does. And if you pull it back, in this little spot where you can push it inward, and it'll stay back. It'll stay open. But that was pretty fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be 2 annotations with links on them to my 2 previous videos to this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time. I couldn't let these 3 get away.